Yeah.
You move in mass the same way, you look at a bigger target altogether, separate out if you need to. Kind of like what I did in Home World 2 with my fighters, but then they developed front flash.
Wow.
But not with this. But I wouldn't be here for a shotgun right now. Look at that guy.
I'm recording too.
A lot of birds. I don't think my camera will be good enough for the pictures. I don't think I could get a decent picture of it.